Well, I tell you what, folks, I got a great recipe for you tonight. I have a new rub from Cosmos, double pepper cow cover. Never have tried it on chicken. We're going to try that tonight, and I'm going to try to show you how to barbecue these chickens and them come out moist for you. So stick around and see how I get it done. I am Chef Johnny, the ultimate beef-loving Texan that's cooking chicken tonight. But folks, this is Texas-style barbecue and cuisine. Appreciate you being here. Always do like that, and I have some chickens already cut in half for you. I'm going to put a mustard binder on them and add this double pepper cow cover to them. So let's get that done, and then we're going to get them on the Primo ceramic grill. My go-to binder for chicken, always mustard, guys. That's what I use. Gonna get it on there, grab that glove, do this. It does not take a whole lot of mustard to work this up, so not much at all. You will not taste this mustard either. Now guys, I have a lot of videos out there on cooking chickens, and I'll put a link below for one of my old videos, and it shows you how I cut my chickens in half and how I do all that. So you get on there and see that. I do like to take out the backbone and the breastbone both. Helps them cook more uniformly, and they'll cook a little quicker that way. Go-to rub, guys. Cow cover. It's the double pepper cow cover, and I think it's going to be good on this chicken. So we are going to find out. It's a coarser grind than regular cow cover, and of course it's got double the pepper. So I think that's going to be right up our alley. Some of these I will sauce tonight. I'm going to use some barbecue sauce on 2 of them, and 2 of them are going to be dry, as in dry and no sauce, not as in cooked till they're dry. And I've got that Primo grill. It's purring about 300 degrees, guys. So we'll show us getting them on there. And then I think it'll take us about an hour, maybe hour and 15 minutes to cook these. Shouldn't take too long at all. It is a pretty quick process on this Primo ceramic grill. Here we go, double pepper cow cover. I need to do a brisket. I haven't done the brisket with this yet. I need to do that. And I haven't done a brisket on that Primo grill. I need to do that also. But here we go. Make sure you get the back side of the wing and under the wing seasoned well. Hold that shaker up high so it spreads out pretty good. Closer you get it, the less spreading you're going to get. But it's going to give us a nice peppery flavor. Give us a little Texas style, right? I think this is going to be right up our alley, guys. That looks good. Let's see if we can get them on that Primo grill. And today I am going to show you how I set up my Primo grill, the air intake and the air exhaust to keep it at this 300 degrees. All right, here we go. We're going to look up close at this, guys. As you can see, it is on the number 1. Not a whole lot open. If you have one of the older ones, it's going to be a small amount that it's open. And let's take a look at that bottom one. It is less than 1. I usually tell people about the width of my pinky is where I set this one. Let's open this up, get them on here. I have this set up for an offset cook, so both of my plates are in there. I'm going to come in and, ooh, let's have sizzle. Chicken going on the grill. And I don't mind this one being a little bit maybe over the edge because I started my fire on this side. So the bulk of the heat's here. We're getting heat all the way around. So this is going to be a little bit cooler as far as the heat coming up the sides. I'm going to have more heat coming up from these 2 sides in here. So I think we're going to be okay. That looks good. Let's get it closed up. We'll check these in about 45 minutes. See y'all then. Time to spritz these chicken halves, and it's been running about 300. Opened up the air intake a little bit more than a while ago, from 1 to, I don't know, 1 1/4, something like that. Bottom still about that 1 pinky width, but let's get it open. We're going to spritz them, check the temps, and see where they're at. Okay, let's give these a little spritzing. That looks good. All right, let's check the temps on these. 148, 149. Got a new temperature probe here, guys, if you're seeing it. ThermoPro sent these out to me. That one says it is 163. It's about ready to come off. And again, that is the hotter side. 160, nothing wrong with pulling that at 160. It's going to carry over cook to that 165 mark. So I'm going to get those two off as the unsauced. I'll sauce these two, and we'll let the temperature come up on them a little more. Let's close it up. Let me get my barbecue sauce. Aren't those pretty now? These two are not quite as hot, so I'm going to use them for my birds that are going to get sauced. Got these two sauced good. I'm going to put them back on there. Maybe about 10 minutes, just enough to set this sauce. Let the others be cooling down because they are going to eat fantastically. We've had just about enough time for that sauce to get set. You can see I've put some zucchini squash on there to go with it that's grilling up for us. Take these off, let them be resting. When this zucchini is done, we'll get inside, show you how this chicken looks. Well, as you can see, we got in the house. We have lost a piece, but it's back there on the counter. They have started eating without me. Gonna finish this up, get these other ones up there. I didn't show you my saucing. That's my own sauce. It's a Chipotle barbecue sauce. People seem to love it. We love it on our chicken, so that's what I used tonight. Of course, for my rub was the Cosmos. The spritz was just a plain water spritz, nothing else on it. And I think these chickens turned out great. We pulled them in that 160-degree range. Let them sit for a while. They're going to carry over to that 165 where they should be. Now, we know that they tell us to cook chicken in the breast to 165. But we're going to slice them, see if they're moist, see what you think about them, and then we're going to give them a taste. These are looking pretty. Let's slice into them. See how they look. That is a pretty, pretty looking chicken there. Plenty of moisture in it. Try another one. Again, a moist piece of chicken. Look at that. I'm not one for squeezing to show moisture, but on that chicken, it's kind of hard to see sometimes. But you can see the moistures in that chicken. We're going to give them a sample, see what everybody thinks about them for supper tonight, right? But let's back up and try some of this chicken real quick. So let's give these a try. See how we like the double pepper cow cover on the chicken. I bet you it's tremendous. Don't forget to check out, I'll put a link below, my new ThermoPro instant read thermometer. I've got 2 wireless thermometers in from them. I'm going to be doing a review on all of them. Y'all will get to see those, so be looking forward for those videos. But today, we are trying barbecued chicken. Here we go. Got somebody else that's going to try it. Libby always shows up about the time the cooking's done. So, give it a try. See what you think. All right?
Oh, good.
Very good.
How do you like that double pepper cow cover?
It's good. It's got a good peppery, spicy taste. I like it.
Good deal. Like it better than the regular cow cover?
Mm-hmm.
I like it really well. You can find that at Cosmos. Tell them Chef Johnny sent you. And besides being double pepper, remember it's a coarser grind also. Can't wait to try it out on a brisket. But thanks for stopping by Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. I am Chef Johnny, your ultimate beef-loving Texan, with a great barbecued chicken for you. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see y'all down the road. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.